Let's preserve our nature. Close your eyes and you can see the way the world's supposed to be. Sunrise on a clear blue sky, fields of daisies, soft butterflies, tall trees, leaves glistening with dew, streams and rivers flowing through, birds singing and flying high, gentle breezes with cloudless skies, snow caps on the mountain tops, valleys of green that never stop, ocean waves and pure white sand, animal grazing on the land. Mother Nature is trying her best to give nothing but beautifulness. But what do we do? Make her a mess. Let's make her the best by polluting less and less and preserve her green dress for our kids and the rest.